Before you hire any builder, any construction person, sit down and have a conversation, like a real conversation. We've gone through many projects. When you sit down and have an honest discussion, in a very short time, you start to discover who those people are. And I think that if you have those hard discussions, those clear discussions with the Woolrich Group, people like them don't sleep at night unless things are right. You know they're real people. They don't just build places. Every single place they have has a piece of them in it, a piece of their heart.
And I learned this a lot of years ago when I've interviewed thousands of people. The one thing you cannot train is whether somebody cares or not. You can't train it, you can't teach it. People either care about what they're doing or they don't care about what they're doing. So, and we, I think, have nailed it on people that care about what they're doing. So.